Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
So I got this new set from Temu, shockingly enough, and it's just like a bubble-edged tray, a bud vase, and a little square pot.
A little square thing.
A little square thing. So, but I thought it looked really nice. And I wanted to just have a little play with doing some different marbled colour trays and bits.
Ooh, okay.
I wanted to sort of put lots of colours in and see whether or not they completely failed or
So a
turned out pretty.
bright, vibrant thing.
Yeah, but I've got all these absolutely stunning colours from Homeware Designs Co. And I just wanted to put them all together and just see.
It'd be interesting to see, because from what I've seen, the colours aren't really, they tend to dull a little bit.
Well, of course they do. It's AquaCast.
I know.
But
so I'd be interested to see how vibrant you can make it.
Well, the thing is with the homeware, the reason I like Homeware Design Co. so much is because they are really heavily pigmented, and although I'm using sort of 3 drops per colour, if I was using another brand...
Oh.
I know. I know. You could have cut that out.
I could have, but I saw that. It made me laugh.
I normally take them off, but for reasons, unknown, I left that one on, and that's what happens. So it's sort of the vibrant pink, the vibrant yellow, the vibrant green, the vibrant orange.
It's all the vibrants.
It's all the vibrants. Yeah.
Okay. Are there any vibrants that you didn't use?
Yeah, I've got loads. I've got loads of Homeware Design Co's.
Yeah, but the vibrant ones.
No, I don't think there is.
No?
No, I don't think there is.
Okay.
I used them all.
You used the lot.
I used the lot, and I just sort of plopped them all in just to see.
Outrageous orange.
Yeah, I was in a very colourful mood, and just sort of went with what I felt like.
Okay.
There was no rhyme or reason to it other than I wanted it brightly coloured, marbly, because if you go marbly, you can use lots of colours.
Yep.
And just went for it.
Okay. Willy-nilly.
Yeah, willy-nilly, as they say. And I was thinking at this point, oh, it's all going to go a bit muddy.
It's all going to mix together.
It's all going to mix together. But I wanted it quite...
It's quite psychedelic at the minute.
Yeah, that's the sort of thing.
Trippy.
I was going for that kind of feel. That's just the mood I was in.
What, trippy?
I was in a trippy mood, yeah.
Yeah. See, that looks really good.
Yeah, it does. Does it stay that way, do you think?
Well, I know.
Oh, yeah, of course you do. I forget you edit.
Well, it just does magically appear.
Yeah. What happens is I film, I put all my videos into a folder, and then a couple of days later, they magically appear, and you say to me, let's do a voiceover. And that's what happens.
Uh-huh.
It's wizardry.
It is.
And I like it. It's a good system that I've got going.
Uh-huh.
I put a little bit too much in that one, so I thought, scoop a bit out.
Yes, and then you make a little mess with it.
I did. Well, it's AquaCast. Of course I make a mess with it. I mean, I don't think I've ever made AquaCast and not made a mess.
No. No.
I like how I do like the fact you had to think about it.
I was just trying to think, but yeah, and you normally do it the day before
the cleaner comes. Yeah, I do.
So that you don't have to clean it all up. Bless her.
It's not that I don't have to clean it all up. It's because it hurts me to clean it all up. So.
Yeah, but it hurts me as well because I walk on it.
I don't care about that. I'm all right.
Okay. All right.
So that was the first pot that I sent off to dry and do its thing.
Yep.
And then whilst I was then in the zone. I was then in the zone. I was in the
okay.
The sort of the place.
Well, while you're in the zone, I would just like to say a quick thank you to our Glitterati members for allowing Nikki to make some
get trippy.
Yeah, so thank you very much. Or Thank you very much.
So the second colours that I did, I changed the colours a little bit. So I've got a ruby colour in there, just to mix it up a tiny bit. And I thought it's got that sort of, can you see that vibrant yellow going through it?
Yeah.
That's a real kind of
yellow.
Yeah, it really does stand out. And then as I was pouring this bit, I thought, oh, I really like that colour, that effect.
It's sort of changed colour, hasn't it?
Yeah, it does. It does. And that's why I was kind of enjoying it. I was just sort of seeing how
You were just playing around.
I was literally just having a play. But then it's about having fun, isn't it? It's not about sort of always producing amazing brand new techniques. Sometimes it's just about literally having fun.
Yeah.
Well, for me, mostly it's about just having fun. So this was the final one that I did. And I thought, right, let's sort of narrow it down a bit. So I went with a vibrant pink. I put in some vibrant yellow and a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of the blazing blue.
Yeah.
And outrageous orange. I thought could do with a bit more green, and I mixed it in quite a lot more.
I was going to say, it's almost as if you were trying to actually blend the colours together.
I was.
Oh.
I was trying to make them a bit more blended.
Ooh.
Rather than have, I mean, look at that in the pot. That is gorgeous. And I actually thought to myself, oh, blimey, if I could get that into the pot, the tray, it would be gorgeous. It would be. But I thought I'll start with the pot and the bud vase. And then I'll have a much more subtle effect on the tray. But I really liked how those colours came out.
I think they all look really good.
This one is, I don't know if it's my favourite, but anyway, this is the demould. So I was not hopeful at this point because the back was so muddy.
That does look very muddy.
I thought, oh, no. And then I turned it over and I was like, oh, actually, it's different.
It is different and it is quite vibrant.
It is very vibrant. And once I put wax on it, those colours came out tenfold. They really did.
Yeah.
But I kind of like it in a weird way.
It looks almost like there's like 3 or 4 different pieces that you've stuck together.
Yeah, I don't know. There was something about it that I quite liked. So, you're leaving all my errors in today, aren't you?
Yes. Yes, I am.
But yeah, I like the little pot as well. It's such a cute little pot.
That one's quite subtle, that.
Yeah.
And that one even more so.
Which I thought was probably what you need on top of such a sort of
like a busy
tray.
Yeah.
So this is the busy tray.
That is a busy tray.
But there's lots of colours in there. And the more you look at it, the more things you sort of see. The more colours you see and all that. You know, like when you look at the sky and you make patterns out of clouds, you can do that with this tray.
Do you reckon?
I know this.
So it's more like a Rorschach test.
Yeah, it is.
So what do you see in the?
I'm not telling you because if it might reveal just that little bit too much about me.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Then this was the second one, and again you've got that nice bold sort of centre.
Yeah.
And then it's a little less in your face on the edges.
Yeah.
Which
I did try to reduce the glare from the side, but
yeah, unfortunately, where I sit, it was incredibly sunny during this during the demould, and there's not a lot I can do about it.
There wasn't a lot I could do about it either.
Oh, okay. Well, you see it all right in the final bits.
Yeah.
But I love how that pot came out. I really like that bud vase because it's I've got another one, but it's the other one that I've got is like a ribbed one, but that's got more.
That's ribbed, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's more of it's a wider rib, which I really like.
Okay.
I think I prefer that one. That's
probably ribbed.
I prefer. No comment.
What do you mean?
You're just wrong.
What?
Yeah, I know what
I was commenting on the vase.
Everybody knows what you were doing. Everybody is on to you.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I don't know what you mean.
Mm-hmm. I'm sure that you do.
No, I don't.
Yeah, because you're an angel, aren't you?
I am. Pure
I
and
really
innocent.
struggled to demold this.
What, that?
Yeah.
Why? I thought that would be quite easy.
It is quite easy, but for reasons unknown, my hands were just like, no.
They were not handing.
Yeah. And I was like, what are you doing? I need to do this. But I like how, again, I really like how it came out. You've still got the vibrant colours, but it's a lot more subtle.
Yeah, it's not as in your face as the tray.
Yeah, but I like in your face colours. I don't like wishy-washy. Well, no, I do like some wishy-washy things, but yeah, I was like, it's different. It's different.
Well.
And I like to be different.
Yes, you do.
But yeah, I quite like it. And the fact that you can put the tray and the little vase in the middle, and you can have sort of the subtle bit at the front or the vibrant bit at the front, depending on what mood you're in.
Yeah.
And then this was the final piece. Now ignore all the bits at the back. That was just me having an experimental play.
Trying to be more efficient.
Mm-hmm. Now, this, you really struggle to see the marble that's come out on it.
Yeah.
It is so subtle.
Is it too subtle?
Well, I did think, okay, it's a little bit too subtle. I've gone from one extreme to the other. But then I demolded the little pot, and I thought, no, it's just right. It was just right.
So that one, you've gone the other way, whereas you've got the stuff you put on top
is a lot more
is a vibrant, and then the bottom
is a lot more subtle, which is, I wanted to see what that would look like. And I think of the three, the pink one is probably my favourite, ironically, but I do like all of them.
And that's what they look like when they're polished.
Yeah, this is what they look like in their final piece.
Yeah.
So what do you think of the pieces that I made? Do you like them? Do you hate them? I think they might be a bit Marmite. You love them or you hate them.
Yeah.
So let us know in the comments. And if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching us. And if you found it valuable, please do leave us a like and a hype if you've got any.
Yeah, and while you're liking and hyping, if you haven't already, why not give us a little subscribe as well?
Because it does really help us out massively.
Yes.
If you already have.
Thank you very much.
And on that note, have a great few days, and hopefully we will see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Take care. Bye for now.
Bye for now.